Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to link Ubisoft to Steam account. First, search ubisoftconnect.com and click download for PC. Log in if you already have an account or you can create a new account. Now we are in Ubisoft's homepage. On the left side, we can see a human icon. Click it. Click settings. Click the three dots and below, we have account linking. Make sure to turn that on and then click close. On the left side, there is a game icon. Let us choose Growtopia. You can choose any game you like. It is now downloading. While waiting for it to download, let us search Steam. Above, we can see Install Steam. Click it and then install Steam. If you don't have an account, choose to create a free account below. It is now logging in. In the right corner, we have a search bar. Search Growtopia and then let's click it. Scroll down, click play game, and as we can see, there is another tab from Ubisoft that appeared. Click continue, and as we can see, Growtopia is now in the Ubisoft, located in my games. And that's it. That is how you link Ubisoft to Steam account. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.